In this video, we are going to continue with the intersecting chords at tangents topic. So in the given figure, PAB is the secant to the circle. Now secant is a line which goes beyond the chord. I mean, you can extend it outside the circle also. Chord you cannot extend. AB is a chord of the circle, and when you extend this chord outside the circle, it becomes the secant. Now, he's saying that PAB is a secant to the circle and PT is the tangent at T. At T means T is the point of contact. We have to prove that triangle PAT is similar to triangle PTB. Now, how do we prove two triangles similar? There are various axioms by which we can prove the two triangles similar. One is AA, angle. If we are able to prove in any two triangles, two angles equal, then the triangles are similar, right? So, in this triangle, PAT and PTB, angle P is common in both. So, one angle we have found, right? Another is that if you look at this is the tangent and this is the chord, and this angle between tangent and chord through the point of contact is equal to the angle in the alternate segment, right? So we can say that PTA, angle of triangle PAT, is equal to PBT, angle of triangle PTB. Right? So we have proved in these two triangles, two angles are equal, same, so the triangles are similar. So when triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. We will set the proportionality between them and see whether we are getting this. This is the second part that we have to prove. So let's write it now. How do we write this? We will write in triangles PAT and PTB, angle P is equal to angle P. Why? Common, right? And angle PTA of triangle PAT PTA is equal to angle PBT of triangle PTB. Reason, angle in the alternate segment. We know that angle in the alternate segment are equal. When the angle between the chord and the tangent, when we have a chord and tangent intersecting at point of contact, then the angle between the chord and the tangent is equal to the angle made by the chord in the alternate direction. Therefore, triangle PAT is similar to triangle PTB by AA axiom. So, they are similar. Now, we know that when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. What does that mean? That means, therefore, PA upon PT is equal to AT upon TB, which is further equal to PT upon PB, right? Now, we want PA into PB. That means we will take this and this equal. So, we will write PA upon PT is equal to PT upon PB. Now, if we cross multiply, we will get PA into PB is equal to PT into PT, which is PT square. So, you have proved your second part also. First part mein we have proved the two triangles as similar, right? Okay, now let's take the next question. In the next question, he is saying that in the given figure, AB is a chord to the circle and the center is O, and BT is the tangent at B, right? So B is the point of contact, and angle OAB, that means this angle is 35. OAB is 35. Find the values of, we have to find the values of x and y. Fine. So what we will do is, if we look at this triangle, O is the center of the circle, then OA is equal to OB. If angle OAB is 35, then this will also be 35. Why? Angles in the angles equal to equal sides of the triangle are, angles opposite to equal sides of the triangle are equal. So you can calculate this angle. How? 35 plus 35 is 70. 180 minus 70 is 110. So you have calculated this angle as 110. Now look at this arc AB. Arc AB subtends angle AOB at the center, and it also subtends angle BPA at the circumference. So this angle Y will be half of this angle. Right? So Y will be half of 110, that is 55. So you have found Y. Now look at this. This is the chord and this is the tangent, and this is the angle made by the chord and the tangent. And this is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. That's Y. So your x is equal to y. Your y was 55. So your x will also be 55. Right? So now we will write this. How? We will say, in triangle AOB, OB is equal to OA. Reason is radii of the same circle. So therefore angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. Reason, equal sides have equal angles opposite to them. Fine. Therefore angle OBA is also 35 degrees. Now you can find angle AOB as 180 minus 35 plus 35. Triangle sum property. So your angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 70, which is 110. So you got angle AOB as 110 degrees. Right? Now angle BPA is equal to half of angle AOB. Why? We know the theorem. Angles subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any other part of the circumference. So angle BPA will be half of 110, which is 55 degrees. Right? Also angle ABT is equal to angle BPA. Reason, angles in the alternate segment, angle in the alternate segment. Therefore angle BPA is equal to y is equal to x. What was your x? 55 degrees. Right?